Hello everybody. We have another job which is scheduled for interview. This is scheduled on December 1. That will be Friday. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. And the job description for this is a metal processing factory. So you are responsible for the operations and the cutting of metal parts also. So this is located in Kamina district in Nagano. So we are looking for 3 people for this, and this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Friday. So if you are willing to apply for this job, the salary for this will be until 250,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So we need 3 people for this. This is located in Kamina district in Nagano. Thank you. And there's another job which is also scheduled for interview. That will be Friday also, tomorrow. The job description for this is administrative accounting work. So we are looking for a bookkeeper and accounting applicant. This is an office job, so this is we need 3 people for this, and this is scheduled for interview December 1. That will be tomorrow. So if the job description or the job location for this is in Saitama and in Gunma, so we are looking for 3 people. So if you are willing to apply for this, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.